You know I love a good travel backpack. Let's get into it. So the outside is nylon, which I feel like is water resistant. The inside is polyester. So let's get into all the pockets. We have this front deep pocket, small, short, side pocket. We have our straps for compression. We have our side cup holder, and look, it's stretchy. The first zipper, when I open it, it reminds me of the inside of a cooler bag. I'm not sure where they were going with this, but maybe if you use it outside of traveling, maybe going to the beach, you can put some cold beer in here, okay? Our main zipper in the middle here, and it expands all the way open. Just one mesh pocket up here. In the middle, you'll see this bag. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. You have a zipper in the middle. Another reason that I got this bag is because it had this port, but I didn't realize that both sides are USB. It would have been neat if one side was USB and the other side was a C port. If you're wondering why they have this little bag in the front, it's because at the bottom, you can put in your shoes. So if not shoes, maybe you want to put your dirty clothes in there. I haven't figured out how I'm going to use that yet. Then the back of the bag, we have our usual secret compartment. That's where we like to put our wallet and our passport perhaps, and it has a little cushion at the bottom as well. It also has these cushions on the side and a little cushion on the straps. It's a little thin, but don't worry, if it's uncomfortable, you still have this strap to put it on your rolling luggage. And again, I'm using this as a travel bag. So that is all of the compartments and features in this bag. So don't click off yet because I'm going to do a mock pack for you. Let's pack. I decided to start with shoes since it was going to take up space in the inside. Y'all know I don't pack many pairs of shoes. I opened it up and look, there's already space taken up. I decided to use my new compression packing cubes. I packed my tote, my doorbell, 2 purses. I did put my medicine in that inner pocket that you saw earlier. On the outside, I used the side pocket for my wipes. I packed my jewelry, electronic cables, and toiletry bag. And y'all, I forgot to put in my makeup. Then in the back, my large personal laptop. And it came out to 19 or 20 pounds. And also the straps were comfortable. They were not bad. So anyway, I hope this helped.